Hello everybody, Tromanland 5000 here. Got a little video for you. It'll be an update on this one, and I'll be letting you know about something else that I just got. Okay. All right. This one here, you know, had a few issues. I did a video on it, and if you need to know all the issues, go and check it out. Well, it came back to me, and I wasn't very specific on what I wanted done, so I had to send it back, and a couple more things were done, and let's just say I am a very happy camper now. She is as I would almost expect it to be, and she is fine, 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 fine. I am happy, happy. Joy has been established. All right. This is your Matt Cook Balisong. I call it the Fat Bowie. Look at that little yummy blade. Holy moly. Yeah. So, there we go. This guy is back in shape. And, yeah. Digging the hell out of it, guys. Digging the hell out of it. Happy, happy. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, there you go. You got a mixture of titanium, red, whatever that is. I think it's carbon fiber. I don't know. Green on jeweled interior scales. On jeweled interior liners. See in there? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Uh-huh. And a beautiful blade, which only he can do. Oh, man, love it. Alright. This guy, perfection has been achieved. Now, what's in the box, Troman? Well, those of you who've been keeping up with my videos lately know. Those of you who don't, well, here's a short story. Mr. Cook has a series of knives called the Fat Lady, and he's done 4 versions of it. This is Fat Lady 4. He made 24 of them. He made 14 available on the 1st of this year through the Jersey Devil Knife Forum, and of course you had to be a member in order to participate. I didn't feel like becoming a member, so I didn't participate. But the next day, well, on the 1st when I woke up, he had a post up on Instagram saying that he had 4 left. Now, how he can have 4 knives left, I don't know, because of all the hue and cry and everything for his knives. But he had 4 left, and he was saying to, you know, message him through Instagram, and he, you know, talk to you. Well, it's always good to have a knife maker's phone number, so I got in contact with him directly. Asked him if he had one for me. He said yes. I told him I'd send him the money when the banks open the next day. He said sure. The day after that, he sent me the tracking. A few days later, boom, this girl showed up. Oh yeah, Fat Lady 4. Absolutely stunning. Just, oh man. This thing is perfect in just about every way, y'all. Oh, look at that blade. We have Black micarta here. We have polished titanium everywhere. Blade. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah. And y'all know me, I gave it the once over a couple of times, a few times, many times. And she is perfect. Alright. And I'll tell you what, there's not a 2-day period go by that I don't have this thing in my hand, in my pocket, whatever. I mean, it's just, man. Cool as heck. So yes, I have two Mac cooks. If you'd have told me a few years ago I'd have two, I would have told you that you were nuts. But I do. And there you go. Black micarta, high polished titanium. Oh yeah, oh boy. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful knife, beautiful work. Hardly any transition from material to material anywhere. Oh man, just a beautiful knife, beautifully done. Huh. Let me tell you, happy, joy was achieved instantly when I pulled this out of the shipping box and everything. Oh man, just, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Well, there you go. I don't have any room to show you my limited flipping skills. Because right here is a tripod, and right here is the thingy. So, that. So, there you go, guys. Troman has a Fat Lady 4. You can see her more on Instagram. I probably do a thing on her about once every other week or so. So, there you go. Alright, like I said, highly polished. We got black micarta. Everything just beautifully done. Beautifully done. There she is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's see something here. Let's see who's fat, huh? Yeah, there we go. Alright, guys. I'm going to let y'all go. I like to keep them short and sweet. Y'all got the update on the other one, and you know I got another one. So, there we go. Alright. Okay. Troman 5000 is out.